Good morning, students. Today we are going to see speech writing. As usually, speech writing, you are very well known about speech writing. Might be in 10th standard, might be in 11th standard, you have given the speech. So, there is some similarities between speech writing and essay writing. Essay writing, we write in a means we write on a paper, and speech is a concept where we deliver our thoughts in front of the audience. So whenever we deliver the thoughts, that time what is important to us, what expression should be there, what you have to write. You have to suppose that you are giving the speech, and according to that you have to write that particular concept. So speech writing, so your 150 to 200 words you have to be you have to write the speech, and in that you have to cover the topic. So what topics you are going to cover, we are going to see in this. So you can see here, introduction first. This I am telling you that this speech writing concept should be covered in 3 paragraphs, and what should be the paragraph, what it should include. So first one, introduction plus views. So whatever introduction is there, introduction means what, you have to give the salutation, you have to give the greetings, and you have to wish the particular. Then afterward you have to start with that. Then highlights plus facts, whatever facts are there, whatever you have to do, that particular things you have to include in that. Then comparison, if any comparison is there on that topic, particular topic, then comparison you have to show. For example, if you have to relate pollution and non means pollution and pollution area and non pollutional area, so that particular topic you should be able to introduce, and that comparison should be genuine and perfect, right or not? It should be well known to all of them. Then solution, remedy, suggestions, what are the suggestions, what are the remedies, what are the solutions by your side, what we can do to change this particular things, means particular atmosphere, what remedies we can use, right or not, or what solutions is there with you. That all things you have to include in that. Then conclusion, in conclusion you have to give your suggestions. You can say that your great means thankful message to the audience, or you have to conclude with any appeal or any particular thoughts to that particular you can say audience. Now we are going to see how to start with the speech writing. First one, starting paragraph. Here's the salutation or the greetings you have to use. For example, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. So always remember, the various topics are there, which are used in the papers. They are might be the debate competition, might be the speech for Independence Day, speech for pollution day. So various topic, whatever topics are related to your college life, your 11 12 standard, that particular topics will be included in that. That only topic will be asked you, and on that only you have to write the speech. So while writing the speech, remember that it's the thing that you have to express in front of the audience, not on the paper only. As think in your mind that you are speaking in front of the audience, you have all knowledge of that particular topic, and then only you are speaking about that. You have studied about that, you have done the homework about that, you have searched many topics on that, many works on that, and then you are doing that particular things. Then last paragraph we are going to see, the middle paragraph, sorry, second paragraph we are going to see middle paragraph. In the middle paragraph we are going to see introduction. Now in middle paragraph, what you have to write, introduction is there, define the topic is there, then meaning is there, reason, causes, effects are there, the present stage is there, then facts are there, data is there, explain your views in detail, difference between present and past, advantages and disadvantages. So firstly you have to introduce the particular topic, then define the topic. Means what is the same thing, you have to define that particular topic. Suppose that you are writing on the pollution, you are speaking on this pollution, so you have to introduce the topic pollution and define that particular pollution, how it is causes, then meaning of that, reason, causes, effects of that pollution, the present stage of the pollution, how to means destroy that particular pollution, right? Then data you have to collect regarding pollution. You can collect the data that particular scientist has written about the pollution, or the something so on. Whatever study you have done, that particular data you have to explain here, explain your views in detail. Whatever views are there regarding pollution, that particular views you have to explain here in a particular way. Now difference between present and past. What was the past, when the vehicles were not there, at that time what was the condition of the pollution, right? That all things you have to include here, and you have to talk on that. Then difference, then advantages and disadvantages of the pollution. Now suppose this advantages and disadvantages, you know that what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of pollution, that you have to explain in your speech. Then next one is that you have to speak on the relevant examples you have to give about the pollution. Then ask questions, and you have to give the result of that particular questions you have asked, right? So relevant examples you might be you are able to give. Then um, you can ask questions regarding pollution, regarding in the to audience, right or not? So that particular thinking should be in your mind while writing the speech. Then ending paragraph, suggestions, solution. Ending paragraphs, you can give the suggestions, you can give solutions, you can give to means you can give some remedies, you can give some solutions, suggestions to avoid pollution. Air pollution might be there, water pollution might be there, whatever it is, you have to give the solutions. Then steps for improvement, what improvement you can do. Suppose air pollution is there, you can plant more trees, right? So many topics are there. You can plant more trees, you can each one can plant tree, and then can take care of that tree. In this way the pollution can get decreased, right? Any appeal is there, that particular, then warning, and then conclusion you have to give of that particular. So in this way, at least in three paragraphs you have to write the particular things of speech. At least three paragraphs should be there. So always remember that speech writing is that the delivering the thoughts to the audience, not just for you. It is your thoughts you have to deliver to the audience, and in that sense you have to speak with the audience, in front of the audience, and then only you can you can deliver your thoughts to the audience. So thank you and have a nice day. You can practice speech writing on particular topics, on debate writing, on debate, or you can speak on the Independence Day, or you can speak on the your college farewell function. So whatever speeches are there, you have to practice regarding that. Practice well, stay home, be safe. Thank you.